Good morning, children. Today, in this class 6, exercise 5C, this is the last exercise, and this is the last question of this chapter and this exercise also. Now, the question number 8. Question number 8 is simplify. Here in the simplify, here three fractions 1, 2 and 3 fractions are given here. All these fractions are in the mixed fraction, and in these fractions here one minus and one addition, and this is the fourth video of this exercise. So the second question is 6 over 3 upon 10 minus 2 over 3 upon 4 minus 1 over 3 upon 5. Now the first question is, first this is the in the mixed, written here in the mixed fraction. First we change into the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Then how we change into the improper fraction? So first we multiply 3 multiplied by 6, then plus numerator. So 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 1, 19 upon 3. This is your improper fraction. Now minus 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 4 equal 14 upon 5, plus 15 ones are 15, then 15 plus 7 equal 22 upon 15. Now after when we change into the improper fraction, then we take the LCM of the all these denominators. Now the LCM of these denominators equal 3 1 are 3, 5 3 5 are 15, 5 1 are 5 1. So 3 multiplied by 5 equal 3 5 are 15. You write here the and you write here LCM of 3, 5 and 15 is 50. Okay? Now, after LCM, 15 divided by 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Your quotient is 5. Your quotient is 5. After quotient multiplied by the numerator, quotient multiplied by the numerator, then 19 multiplied by 5. 19 5s are 95. Now 5 3s are 15. 3 multiplied by 14. 3 multiplied by 14. 42. Now here minus, here plus. 15 divided by 15 equal 1. Answer is 1. Then 1 multiplied by 22. Then 1 multiplied by 22 equal 22. Now 95 minus 42, you can solve 95 minus 42, or you can solve this type also. This is the plus, this is plus, so 95 plus 22. So 5 minus 2 equal 3. 5 minus 2 equal 3. Then 9 minus 4 equal 5 plus 22 upon 50. Okay? Now, then add 3 plus 2 equal 5. 5 plus 2 equal 7 upon 50. 7. Now 53 plus 22 equals 75 upon 50. Now change into the lowest term. Then these both numbers are divisible by 5. So 15 upon 5 3 जा 15. 15 5 जा 75. 3 5 जा 15. Now change into the mixed fraction. So dear children, this is also divisible by 3. 3 5 are 15, 3 1 are 3. Your answer is 5. Okay. Now the next question. Question number 2. First we change into the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 10 6 is 60 plus 3 equals 63 upon 10 minus 10 6 is 60 plus 3. Now 4 multiplied by 2 equal 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11 upon 4. Now the next question, 1 over whole 3 by 5. Then 5 under 5 plus 3 equal 8 upon 5. Okay. Now then we take the LCM of 10, 4 and 5. Now the LCM of 10, 4 and 5 equal 2 5 are 10, 2 2 are 4, 5 are 5. Now 5 1 2, 1. Now LCM is 2 into 2 into 5 equal to 2 are 4, 5 are 20. Now we write here LCM of 10, 4 and 5 equal 20. The LCM of these numbers, all these denominators equal 20. Now we write here the LCM and LCM divided by the denominators. So 10 2s are 20. Your quotient is 2. And 2 multiplied by 63 equal 126. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. Now 4 minus 4 5s are 25. Then 5 multiplied by 11. 11 5s are 55. Now 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Quotient is 4. Then 4 multiplied by 8 equal 4 8s are 32. Now 26 minus 52, you can solve this type also. 26, then minus plus, so 5 2, and this is greater, so we write here put here the minus sign. Now 5 2 7 and 5 3 8 upon 20. This type also you can solve. This type also means, and you can solve this type also. 120. First you subtract 126 minus 55. Then answer, we write here the answer. Then we subtract minus 32. Okay. Now you can solve this type 2 times. So dear children, equal 16 minus 7. 6 minus 7. So 6 is the smallest number. So we take the carry 16. 16 minus 7 equal 9. 9. Now this is 1 and 11. 11 minus 8 equal 3 upon 20. And this is the 20 and 39 is 39 upon 20 is in the lowest term, because these two numbers are not divisible by any same numbers. So we change into the mixed fraction. So equal 21 is 21 whole 19 upon 20. This is your answer. Now the third question is, dear children, 5 over 1 by 6, 2 whole 1 by 3 minus 5 whole 11 by 12. Now first we change it to the improper fraction. 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31 upon 6. 3 2 is 6 1 7 upon 3 minus 12 5 is 60. 60 plus 11 equals 70 plus 1 71 upon 12. Now first we take the LCM of 6, 3 and 12. Now the LCM of 6, 3 and 12, this number is divisible by 2. 2 3 is 6, 3 2 6 is 12. 2 3 is 6. Now 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. Now the LCM is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So we write here the LCM of 6, 3 and 12 is 12. Okay? Now 12 divided by 6 equal quantity is 2. 6 2 is 12. 2 multiplied by 31. So 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Okay? Now you can do multiply 31 multiplied by 2. 2 1 is 2 and 2 3 is 6. 62. Okay? Now 3 4 is 12. Quantity is 4. Then 4 multiplied by 7. 4 7 is right here plus 4 7 is 28. Okay, 3 4 is 12 and 4 multiplied by 7 equals 4 7 is 28. Now 12 1 is 12. First we divide the LCM by the denominator, then quadrant multiplied by the numerator. So 12 1 is 12 1 and multiplied by 71 equals 71 1 is 71. Now 8 to 10 0 21, 6 to 8 6 to 8 1 9 minus 71 upon 12 equal 10 minus 1 equal 9. Now 8 minus 7 equal 1 upon 12. Okay? Now change into the improper mixed fraction. So how we change it to the mixed fraction? 19 12. 19 divided by 12. 12 1 is 12. 9 minus 2 equal 7. Here 0. Now 1 whole 7 upon 12. So we write here 1 whole 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12. This is your remainder, this is your divisor, and this is your quotient. And here 19 upon 12, this is your divisor and this is dividend. Okay? Now dear children, this exercise is completed and this chapter is also completed. Now the next video I will tell you exercise, new chapter exercise, chapter 6, and chapter 6 is decimal. Now, okay, thank you.